Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a full review on the Shopify starter plan. I'll be providing you with everything that you need to know from pros, cons, features, and more about the starter plan so that you can make an informed decision. So that by the end of this video, you will understand if the limited yet low cost starter plan suits your business or not. Let's get started. So first things first, when you create an account with Shopify, you will get started with a 3-day free trial, and then you will likely need to upgrade to one of these 3 memberships. And as you can see, we have the starter plan or the basic Shopify plan, which comes at $32 per month. There's also the Shopify plan, which comes at $92 per month, and the advanced one at $399 per month. So to a lot of people, the jump between $32 to $92 is a big one, and that's why a review on the basic plan is required. Now, if you sign up using the link in our description down below, you will get the 3-day free trial. And then after that, you can choose any one of these 3 plans for $1 a month for 3 consecutive months. It is a temporary offer, so if you don't have a Shopify account yet, definitely grab that one before it's too late. And now I'll start by explaining exactly what the startup subscription looks like. The basic Shopify plan represents their most affordable monthly package, explicitly designed to enable virtually anyone to easily begin testing without overfacing complexity or costly requirements upfront. At only $32 per month, it makes launching a small Shopify-based store highly accessible, aligned to what first-timers need without overwhelming the business owners juggling limited bandwidth. And with this one, merchants can start selling goods or services through streamlined channels, leveraging the responsive themes for showcasing products, and operate safely within Shopify's secure infrastructure. So let me go over what capabilities are included in the startup one. The startup plan focuses specifically on including baseline selling necessities without confusing owners with dozens of capabilities right off the bat. So here is an overview of key tools included. You'll be granted 2 staff accounts, basic sales reports and analytics visibility, up to 1,000 inventory locations, unlimited storage for images and files, free SSL security certificate, and support 24/7 via live chat. Additionally, you retain the flexibility to install apps from Shopify's marketplace, adding limited specialized functionality for greater customization without migrating platforms. Considerations around available themes and transaction processing rates based on plan selected do apply. But in summary, the basic plan enables you to get started with the traditional hosted e-commerce. And how does the basic plan compare to advanced Shopify plans? The Shopify plan at $92 per month grants you access to 5 staff accounts. You will have an upgraded professional report and up to 1,000 inventory locations, just like the basic plan. And the advanced Shopify plan at $399 per month grants you access up to 15 staff accounts, 1,000 inventory locations, and the custom report builder. So the upper tiers mainly give you the ability to add more staff accounts, better sales analytics and reporting visibility, plus upgraded premium customer service response levels. Also, they reduce the percentage-based transaction completion rates that are deducted from your orders, which helps add margins on higher sales volumes. But if you're just launching an online storefront, the basic plan offers everything that you need without having to pay a ridiculous amount of money every single month. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Hopefully the feature breakdown has helped you what the starter plan is for and whether you should get started with it or upgrade to the higher ones. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to Shopify.